Hi everyone, my name is Bukola and thank you so much for joining me in this class today. I'll be showing you how to create a Shopify store from the scratch. Yeah, Shopify store is an e-commerce website that allows you to sell products to people anywhere in the world without having to touch this product. The opportunities are endless. Being able to touch upon other customers and reach out to other customers in other continents and other countries that differ from yours, from getting you access to the supplier to giving you access to the customer. In this class, you will learn how to create and craft a visually stunning Shopify store that captivates customers from the very first click. Learn how to import products and create a diverse file that flies on the digital shelf. Navigate the heart of payment integration like a pro and discover the secrets of effective advertising to skyrocket your sale. You can become a dropshipping expert or join forces with Amazon as a Shopify partner. Join me in a class project where you would, alongside me, design your very first store, add payment gateways and billing systems, and run your very first ads from Facebook to Google Ads, moving from 0 to 100 in just 3 months. Without further ado, let's jump right into the class.